Yun lang.
Okay. Gets, love? Okay.
Yun lang.
Nagets ko na yung sequence nyo. Yan. Dito tayo Pwede na nating i-go over 'to. I-check natin kung maayos yung sequence nyo dito sa paper. Registration timer.
Dapat ba past tense or present tense?
Depende, love, kung paano nyo sinimulan. Kasi ang rule of the thumb ko dyan, kung paano nyo sinimulan yung start ng study, kung puro present yung sa taas, dapat all throughout present. Ganun ang rule of the thumb ko ever since. Tingnan natin yung inyo, paano ba to?
Gusto ko nang tanggalin 'tong
Yung alin, love?
the researchers will then finalize the board games including preparing resources with currency and instructional.
Pwede. It's unnecessary in a way.
Kasi tanggalin na 'yan.
Okay.
And tatanggalin na rin 'to.
Wait lang, wait lang. The
Pero
survey
wait lang,
will capture.
wag muna tatanggalin.
Wag,
Kasi
ito wag.
ipapalitan natin yan eh.
Mhm.
So, okay, next paragraph na pala. So, yun.
Regular game sessions. Ay, wait lang.
To be
Kukunin ko lang yung
organized.
laptop ko para makapag-draft din ako.
Okay. The researchers, mali ako nang binabasa.
Okay,
Regular
back.
game sessions. Regular game sessions will be organized and facilitated over a predetermined period within the academic year.
Mm. Legit ba to? Post-survey?
Wala
Post...
yan. Iba na yan. Remember,
Okay.
hindi na kami naka-survey. Wala na kaming survey.
Okay. Hindi dapat yung tanggalin yan. If wala.
Yeah.
Okay. Quanti. Data analysis.
Yung sequencing ng registration form, gusto ko siyang ilagay dito sa second paragraph. And then dito sa third paragraph,
Oh, listening?
regular game sessions will be organized and facilitated over a predetermined period within the academic year, during which student engagement, interactions, and participation will be closely monitored. Okay. Records of the number of bottles exchange and
Mhm.
observable changes in student engagement with recycling will be, what do you mean by maintain? Records of the numbers of bottles of exchange and observable changes in student engagement. Hindi ko magets yung will be maintained. Paano will be maintained?
Okay.
Gets mo ba?
Records of the number of bottles exchanged and observable changes in student engagement with... Hmm. Magulo. Ulit, sorry. Records of the number of bottles exchanged and observable changes in student engagement with your site. Magulo yan, love. Hindi ko gets yan. Kung anong thought niyan.
Ay, oo, wait. Ito,
Hmm?
gusto kong
Listening?
i gusto kong i-keep tong sentence na 'to, pero aayusin yung thought niya.
Yeah, hindi ko gets eh.
So, puwede pa-highlight muna.
Okay, okay, go. Highlighting. There you go.
And then dito sa following sentence,
Ito. Yeah.
Kasi nakalagay 'di ba, records of the numbers of bottles exchanged. Hindi ko pa pala nabanggit anong gagawin namin dun sa mga water bottles na nakuha namin.
Ay, oo nga love, hindi mo na-chika sa'kin.
Di ko pa nabanggit. So, gusto ko siyang ilagay dito sa third paragraph.
Okey.
So, ang gagawin lang namin basically is
Listening?
ibibigay or ija-junk shop. Yun lang basically.
So, may money. Nagawa niyo na ba 'to? Nasaan na yung mga bottles? Sino sa inyo yung nagki-keep nun?
Nasa school pa din. Pero
Okey.
pero
Mhm. Uy,
actually tinatamad na kaming ipa-junk shop siya. Pero yun
loko.
naman talaga kasi dapat yung ano namin, yung goal namin. Pero sabi kasi nung teacher namin, dapat by Thursday, which is bukas, dapat wala na daw yung mga plastic bottles dun sa room namin. So, ang gagawin na lang namin is ibibigay na lang namin siya sa head ng maintenance sa school and then sila na yung bahala mag-dispose nung water bottles.
Love, reiterate ko lang, nagganyan ako before, may money 'yan. May money 'yan.
Para may money.
May money 'yan 'pag pina-junk shop mo.
Siyempre,
Ayun lang, sure
ano
ka?
naman,
Ano ko lang, okey
ano
kung
naman.
kasi yung amin dati pinangkain namin. Sa
Hindi, kasi I
ah,
remember oops, wait, dinig ako ni mami. Naka-call sign ko dun. 'Di be ano, eh, kasi ano, 'di ba
listening.
magpapa-hardbind pa tayo
Oo,
ng
hard one.
paper. So, puwede namin gamitin yung pera na makukuha namin dun sa plastic bottles, pang-hardbind. Although meron na kaming budget pero hindi siyempre ba't naman namin sasabihin yun sa ano namin, 'di ba? Like, para-paraan na 'to be. Para-paraan na 'to. So, kumbaga yung pera na makukuha namin dun sa water bottles na pinang-junk shop namin, eh di dagdag fund siya sa pagpapagawa nung paper namin, 'di ba?
All ears, yes. That's good.
So yun.
That's proper allocation of funds.
So yun yung gusto kong ilagay dun sa following sentence.
Ito,
Tapos papa-junk shop. Yun muna yung ilalagay ko,
ah,
junk shop. And
pa-junk shop.
then, tsaka natin actually hindi ko siya alam kung paano gagawa ng sentence. So,
There we
very
got you. We
like
got
badly need help. So, yan.
yes, love.
Papa-junk shop. Tapos, yun na yun.
Pataas ako,
Ayan. So, tapos papa-junk shop. Tapos, yun na yun. Then, next is, data analysis will involve quantitative methods. Quantitative data will be analyzed to compare. Okay,
Mhm.
ang galing ibahin ko 'to, kasi hindi na kami magpe-pre and post survey. We'll compare average. Mas maganda yung average kaysa total.
D
Average,
dep ulit, will be analyzed to compare average result.
hindi, dagdagan ko yan, average number. Kailangan ko ba dagdagan pa ng average, like average number or puwede ng average lang?
Average lang, love.
Ito yun,
Redundant 'pag both. Hmm,
kasi quantitative data will be analyzed to compare average. Ay
ave
hindi, parang kailangan ng number. Average number of plastic
oh,
bottles.
puwede. Compare the
Compare the average number of plastic bottle results. Plastic bottle results of the card games and board games. Parang may mas aayos pa yung sentence na yan. What do you think?
again, highlight. Let's do it. Aray ko.
Highlight na lang.
Ay, ayan, ayan, ayan. Ito na, love. Copy. Ayaw mag-load naman ako.
Using statistical tests to assess whether there are significant changes in students' recycling awareness and behaviors, thereby evaluating the study's hypothesis. Finding hypot Lagay niyo pala spelling ng hypothesis, hypothesis.
Yes, that's the plural form.
Plural form. Okay. Studies hypothesis. Findings from the data analysis will be presented. Ooh, okay. Hindi na kami magba-bar graphs and pie charts kasi ang sabi ng teachers namin,
Bakit daw?
hindi daw ginagamitan ng bar graphs, pie charts ang average. Ano
Okay.
lang kami,
Ano?
visual presented using visual aid lang. Kasi isa lang yung gagamitin namin, which is
Is?
table.
Ay,
Tables.
okay.
Which is tables. Wait, tama ba yun? Findings from the data analysis will be presented using visual aids such as tables. Tama ba?
Mm.
Illustrate,
Sige.
not the changes in behavior. Illustrate illustrate the, illustrate yung ano,
Listening.
um, illustrate the number, the number, numbers?
The number na lang. The number.
Ay, oh yeah, the number of bottles collected. Ano kasi sabihin na the numbers of bottles collected?
During the
Like,
in the duration of the study. Pwede yung ganun.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Very put well. In the duration of
The,
study.
the study.
Perfect. Okay, then finally, ay, ba't double yung tuldok? Finally, recommendations will be provided based on the findings. Okay? For Del Pilar Academy, suggestions may include enhancing wala, di na kami dito kami di kami educational. Enhancing the use of exchange board games.
Through teacher training? Ah, okay.
Hindi, ibahin yun. Board games, board games, or other kinds of games. Hindi, hindi. Tama. Board games or card games. What do you mean by teacher training?
Alam mo, love yun yung sinesearch ko ngayon. Hindi ko, check ko kung grammatically correct ba siya.
To si Angge, halatang chinat GPT.
Ay, love oh. Teacher training is the structured process of preparing individuals to become effective educators, encompassing knowledge and skills and
Okay,
curriculum.
gets.
So
So, like,
it's correct.
literal, literal, what do you mean correct?
Correct yung ano niya. I mean, may term talaga na gano'n, may yun lang.
Okay, may term talaga. Akala ko tama yung pagkakagamit ng word dito sa sentence.
Yan hindi ko pa alam yung pangalawa. Through teacher training. Sa pagkakagamit lang, from what I can see, hindi siya tama. Kasi iba yung teacher training. piniprep niyo yung someone to be an educator. That's the process of it. Pero hindi siya tama dyan. True.
Hindi, tatanggal. Like, ganda na lang.
Snow!
Changes may,
Ito na.
ano yan?
Sorry, he's snow. Sorry.
Okay. Akala ko sabi mo no. Sabi ko, ay, ano mali? So, suggestions may include enhancing the use of exchange-based board games or card games for broader awareness. For
Awareness.
broader awareness campaigns and increased
Support.
support for recycling initiatives. Kaya rin naman.
Yep.
Ano mo?
It's
And
smooth.
then recommendations will also be offered to other institutions on adopting similar, oh, not gamified.
Oh, didn't know that's a word. Gamified.
Oh yeah, word yun.
Oh, never used
Very,
it.
very gamit yung word na yun sa, like, sa school namin.
Ay,
Sa research. Kasi
listening love.
may research la, kasi may research last year na
Mm-hmm.
yung, if, kasi di ba like boring yung AP since history, ganon.
Mm-hmm.
So, ang ginawa ng grade 12s last year, gumawa sila ng gamified version ng lesson sa AP.
Para mas
And then,
engaging.
yeah,
Ay.
tapos, tsaka sila nagkaroon ng 15-item quiz kung mas effective ba yung gamified or yung traditional way of teaching. Di kami pinayagang mag-educational for some reason.
Gets.
Di kami pinayagang mag-educational. Hindi ko alam kung bakit pinayagan last year tapos this year
Di
ngayon hindi
pwede.
pinayagan. So, nag-stick kami sa basic, which is yan, recycling,
Mm,
like waste segregation. Wala
gets.
nangyari. Nagkahiwalay kami.
Nalipat mo. Okay. I
Yan.
hear you.
Recommendations will also be offered to other institutions on adopting similar learning approaches.
To strengthen students.
Ayun. Ayan.
Other institutions. Magagawa nyo ba yun?
Hindi, kumbaga institutions like the school, DepEd,
Yeah.
kumbaga through paper lang.
Okay. Um, that's what we call perfume excess. Yung
Yun.
yeah, yung something in your study that you'll put there just for the sake of it. Parang ganun. May mga ganyan kasi eh.
Diba nakalagay is gamified, which is di naman kami gamified kasi exchange-based kami.
Yep.
You think,
Yes, love. Exchange
you
based.
think,
Pasok siya.
you think tama yan?
Mm.
Recommendations will also be offered to other institutions on adopting similar exchange-based learning approaches
To
to
strength.
strengthen students' and environmental awareness and recycling behaviors.
Mhm. Pasok sa
Tama
akin
naman, di
yan.
ba?
Tama naman, love.
Yeah, okay, same, okay. We're on the same page. This study aims to provide meaningful insights into
Remove
and
gamification.
using oh my God, nalilito na ako sa pag-spell ng exchange base. Exchange base.
Love, again, yung mga word
Exchange
na
base
ganyan.
games.
Yan, yes.
Games. Generally games. Generally games. Not pwedeng online games, pwedeng sports games, board games, card games, general. As an as a strategy, as a strategy, as a strategy to foster sustainable behaviors and environmental responsibility in school. Ano,
Yes.
I think. The
Better.
study aims to provide meaningful insights into using exchange-based games as a strategy to foster sustainable behaviors and environmental responsibility in schools.
Ayaw mo lagay ayaw mo maglagay
And
ng flowery diyan, "In educational institutions." Gano'n.
ayoko na, tama na
'Wag na,
yan.
okey.
Wag na.
Copy.
Ayan, okey na.
Ay, may
That's
isa pa
it.
talaga. The
Ano
research was
yun?
conducted ito may kasunod pa.
Ay, charis! Meron pa pala, di ko napansin. The research was conducted at Del Pilar Academy and targeted students from various sections and grade level.
Mhm. The study took place within the school premises beginning in November 2024. Huh? Grammar-wise, it's okay. Love, where you at?
Hmm. Yeah, okey na. Wala nang babaguhin dito.
Yeah, there you go.
Dito sa part.
Love, yung
Ay,
dates, okey yan, November 2024, May 2025, ganyan kahaba?
oo, November 2024 nag-start yung research namin.
Okey.
Starting from chapter 1. Wait
Sige,
lang, itong part na 'to hindi siya naka-indent.
tab lang. Ay, sorry. Di. Just tab. Ay, gano'n.
Ay, wait, pinaayos mo ba? Sorry. Ayan, ikaw na mag-ayos. Pantay na lang dito sa finally.
Ayan, love, done.
And thanks. Okay, ayan.
Diyan ka na, ire-revise ko na 'tong mga nasa taas. I'll do it in a form of, comment, ta's ikaw mag-check, okey?
Okay.
Okey, go. Teka, ihi lang ako.
Ay, wait lang. Parang reply si Angge. Wait lang, di pa ako nagbubukas ng Schoology. And then, dito ako magbubukas sa personal. Ay, nako. Bukas. Ibig sabihin bukas yung quiz. Or I forgot.
Love back, you here?
Eh,
Oh,
inaayos lang ako sa messenger.
okey. Let's go. Intervention in the average number of plastic board games.
Pinost na ako ni Angge. Registration, ganun pala. Tarts, pinasosyal na egg pie. May kayo egg pie lang yan sa amin yan.
Ano yan? Ano yan, love?
May nakita lang akong post sa FB. Hindi, share post ng friend ko sa FB. Sabi niya like, the best daw ang egg tarts. Tapos may picture ng egg tarts. Tapos tiningnan ko ng mabuti yung picture ng egg tarts. Ang egg pie lang din. Pinasosyal lang. May kayo, egg pie lang yan sa amin egg tarts kayo dyan.
Codenames.
30 na pala.
Organ attack. Love, ikaw magsimula doon sa baba ah.
Anong magsimula sa baba? Ay,
Yung revision mo sa baba.
anong magsimula sa baba? Saan?
Yung
Ano
mga,
yun?
yung mga ni-yellow natin sa
Yan.
baba. Nandito ako sa taas eh. Yung mga nasa taas ang inaano ko.
Saan ka ba?
Ito. Tawag nito? Sa instrument. Yun yung inaayos ko muna.
Actually, yung mga hin-highlight natin,
Nit
I actually hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko doon, to be honest.
Wait, I remember them. Wait lang. Iniisip,
Like, hindi ko na alam kung ano pa yung iaayos neto or kung ano pa yung pwede kong idagdag. Kung paano ko pabubuuin yung sentence. Hindi ko na talaga alam.
okay, love. Ayun, magkaano tayo dyan. Sa baba kasi, ang major na babaguhin dyan is yung idadagdag sa, what do you call this? Yung Papa Junk shop. You know, if you would just check records of the
Pati,
numbers of bottles.
yeah, pati ito. Hindi ko pala na-highlight. Wait lang. Yung chronological process.
Mm,
Like after ng registration form and then yung
yeah.
chronological process after nun. Hindi ko na alam, promise. I'll try my best. Sige.
Yes, yes.
Let me
Love, sorry
start.
na. Sorry na. Yung anuhin ko dito sa taas, itong hinighlight natin ng marami,
You.
ay pinag-isipan ko na to kanina kaya medyo nagnanahimik ako. Wala tayong masyadong mababago dito. I-rephrase
Okay.
ko lang siya ng the board games included in the study, or chess,
Okay.
mga ganon.
Okay.
No other way to
Okay.
put it. Okay, sige. I-apply ko na ba?
Hindi. Sige,
Comment.
sige, go.
One moment.
Natawa ko yung tsaka siya nag-offline. Sakit naman.
What's this? Exposed to board games and card games intervention. Comment ko na lang.
Ito sa'yo yung nangyari sa PE namin.
Nyari love.
Kasi pagod na pagod na ako nung last Monday. Pero mo yun, like 13 hours diretso tulog. Love it.
Sarap nga nun eh. Okay, listening.
Ang nangyari nun, ang PE,
Yep.
kasi 'di ba ang kalaban namin nung first like la last week,
Yep.
first game kami. Ang kalaban namin sila Kath. Natalo
Uy.
kami 2-0.
Mm-mm.
Talo kami 2-0. Tapos last week ang naglaban ay sila ay basta yung dalawang groups naman naglaban last week. Tapos sino yung nanalo dun sa last week, kakalabanin nila si Kat. Sila, yung group nila Kat. Naglaban sila last week kasi may extra time pa.
Uy, okay.
And then, ang nangyari, nag-tie sila 1-1.
Nice.
So, so this week, which
Mm.
is nung Monday, naglaban sila. Kumbaga deciding game na. Kung sino yung
Mananalo.
kung sino yung group na na maglalaban sa like finals, like championship. Pero hindi naman siya big, like PE lang naman to. Sinabi lang championship kasi para like, di ba naman talaga like bracket.
Yes, love.
Tapos next sa
Bracket.
pinakahuling championship.
Mm.
So, ang kalaban nila Kat, sila Zaira, sadly natalo sila 2-1. So, anong nangyari? Ang group nila Kat ang pupunta sa championship.
Okay.
So, yung group na natalo nila Zaira last week, sila yung nakalaban namin nung Monday. So, kumbaga, win-win, win versus win, lose versus lose. Ganun yung nangyari nung Monday. So,
Okay.
nakalaban namin yung natalo. So, nanalo kami 2-0.
Uy, okay.
So, since kami yung nanalo, diretso kami championship. So, nakalaban namin sila Kat. Talo kami first game, panalo kami second game.
Mhm.
Grabe ko, we were working late. Para kami si Sabrina Carpenter dun, like, I'm working late. Like, grabe yung pagod.
Bagsak ka nun, eh.
Kasi, kasi tinan mo, after ng game nyo, dun sa, di ba may game kami na lose versus lose. Like, after ng lose versus lose na yun, win versus win na kagad. So, tuloy-tuloy yung laro. So, kumbaga, 4 games diretso.
Puro gano'n.
Like, 4 games dire-diretso yung nangyari. So, grabe talaga yung pagod.
Hmm,
So,
tulog ka
ayun.
talaga nun.
Sadly, natalo kami ng first game.
Mhm.
Pero bumawi kami ng second game. Nanalo kami second game.
Yes.
And then, after nun, so nag-tie kami, 1-1.
1-1.
So, next Monday, championship game na. Yay!
Ay, ano na 'yan, sa 7.
Ano na,
Okay.
deciding game na.
It's love. Good luck dun, Balitaan mo ako
Yeah.
nun. Kailangan mo ng maraming
Ay,
pahinga.
may betot ako. So, deciding game na sa Monday. Actually, not sure kung may deciding game pa. Not sure.
Okey. Love, sorry na, para ma-clear na natin yung taas, tignan mo 'to, nag-iwan ako ng comment. Ayan, comment
Alin.
diyan. Ito, yung 'di ba may comment sa gilid, makikita mo kung para saan yung revision na yun. Yun yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, kasi papalitan mo 'tong unang part ng sentence na 'to, yung this approach minimizes
Wait, ano yung
hanggang
okay, sige.
papalitan natin siya. Ta's ayan yung naisip ko, yan yung sa-suggest ko na palit diyan. Yan yung ni-note ko kanina, check mo na lang.
Ito yung suggested to, no?
By analyzing the variance in the number of, yeah.
So, ganito yung magiging sentence. By analyzing the variance in the number of plastic bottles collected during board games and card games?
Ay wait, there we could, may kulang pa palang sentence, we could, 'di ba?
Ano yung variance?
Variance, difference. Pinagkaiba ng numbers. I mean yung ano nila, 'di ba gano'n 'yun? Tama ba? Tama ba
Hindi.
nasa utak ko?
By analyzing the variance in the number of plastic. Okay, gets. Okay.
Pero may kulang pa 'yan kasi thereby yung kasunod, eh.
Yun yung nasa isip ko kanina, like, in card games thereby. Validity.
Lab, lab.
Gusto ko mag-ML.
Uy,
Ano yan?
mag-ano ka muna, gagawin ko 'to, maliligo lang ako ta's ire-revise ko 'to ng buo ng ganito, keri. Mag-chill ka muna.
Ano yun?
I'll revise it. Tas kapag tapos na ako,
Okey,
i-aano ko 'to, para makapag-chill ka kasi bukas may pasok ka na, eh.
okey.
Okey? Okey, mag-ano ka muna diyan, mag-ML ka muna. I'll just take a bath,
TikTok na lang ako.
oo. I'll just take a bath tas tatapusin ko 'tong ano dito. Okey, go. I love you.
Sige. Wait, wait lang. Wait lang.
Yes, go.
Sige.
Nay nakapatay yung aircon, eh, mainit nga. Ay, hey. Okey, sige, sige. You just chill. Ako mag-aano nito.
Okey.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye, be.
Bye, be.